Hello everybody, I'm John from Promove Bangkok and welcome to our second property on this ARI pet-friendly condo tour. We step away from the house now and find ourselves on Palatin Soi 7, only a 2-minute walk from the BTS behind me at the Ban Yazawadi development. It's a gigantic 3-bedroom apartment with separate kitchen with unblocked ARI and city views. Not only that, it's pet friendly. So if you've got a dog, you've got a cat, you've got a pigeon, or you've got mice, whatever it might be, they're welcome here. So step back, relax, and let's go check out this one. Hello everybody, it's Jono here from Promove Bangkok, and like we said, welcome to the Ban Yazawadi exclusive development on Palatin Soi 7. It's extremely well managed and famous for their big open 3-bedroom apartments. It starts off with open plan living and dining area, and of course a large balconies with unblocked views of ARI and the city in the distance. The beautiful thing about these apartments is that the furniture can be taken in or out, so you can really customize these to your own like and really make it your own home away from home. The management at Ban Yazawadi want every tenant to feel special when they first arrive in, with freshly painted walls and of course shiny hardwood flooring throughout. If you're a home cook or if you've got somebody to do it for you, this kitchen is extremely well equipped to handle any type of international cuisine. There's a 4-headed hot plate, an oven, a hood, a microwave, a big fridge freezer, a washing machine, and of course a dishwasher, which is very unusual for many condominiums. There's also a large maid room to the back. And we start the 3 bedrooms with the smallest of the rooms, which is still a large double. Now the Ban Yazawadi can exchange any beds if you like a single, a queen, a king size, and they can do that to your request. There's a balcony in this room and of course amples of storage space. An absolutely stunning view of ARI. This 3-bedroom property also boasts 3 bathrooms, and this is the second one as we make our way in to the second double large bedroom. Once again with a double king-size mattress and a balcony with unblocked views. Once again, plenty of natural light with corner windows. We then make our way into this very well-sized master bedroom. It has its very own balcony. You can hang up a plasma screen on the wall if you like. It has a walk-in wardrobe and a beautiful ensuite, because no master bedroom is complete without an ensuite with its very own bathtub. A beautiful apartment fit for sharers, family, and of course pets are welcome. So the facilities at the Ban Yazawadi are second to none. With it being a high-rise development, they have a large swimming pool, easy for laps. They also have a very well-equipped gym. So if you're looking to build a muscle pump or even get in that important cardio, Ban Yazawadi certainly is the place to be. There's plenty of communal space at the Ban Yazawadi, as you can see, plenty of lounge space. The pool is fit for laps, really decent size. There's also a yoga studio, Fly Me to the Moon, and of course offices within. So the communal areas are really well looked after in this development. And of course we're on Palatin Soi 7, so close to ARI BTS. So there you have it, a fantastic 3-bedroom, large, spacious, pet-friendly apartment in the centre of ARI. Not only is it pet-friendly, it's located only 2-minute walk from ARI BTS, with hardwood flooring, meaning that the cats or dogs can't scratch at it or make any issues. The durability of the property is intact. It's also located on Palatin Soi 7, so close to all cafes and restaurants in the area. It's 3 bedrooms, so large, spacious, ideal for sharers or a family. If you work or live or commute in the Bangkok city centre, why not check out this 3-bedroom apartment at the Ban Yazawadi today? Thank you very much for watching. We hope you liked the property, and if there's anything you'd like to know, feel free to give us a call on 0907276508 or follow our website www.promovebangkok.com. Thanks again and have a great day.